The short answer, the cliche, if you will, is that funerals are for the living. They offer support to the family. It is a chance for the family to see friends, to get support. You're familiar with the stages of grief. The first from denial to the final stage of acceptance. In a big way, we help families get through those stages of grief to the final stage of acceptance. I often wonder the people that, and for whatever reason, they don't want anything. No services. Sometimes I worry what's going to happen 5 years from now. Will they second guess themselves? Should we have had a funeral? By then it's too late. You worry about those kind of things. But funerals can be very simple. We don't have to have calling hours. You can have a private service, but it's important to go through that process. And the casket selection, the vault selection, the cemetery, all of that, I do believe, helps families gain that acceptance. Funerals, of all the things that change, are still very traditional. But I think 30 plus years ago, if you would have talked to my father, that generation, the funeral director told you what you were going to do. It was going to be 2 to 4, 7 to 9. It was going to be the service, Now, in a kind of a strange way, it's changed where the families are telling us what they're going to do and making it very personal. And I think it's a great move. I try to get the families involved as much as I can with the funeral service itself. The funeral directors would take the casket down to the front of the church to start the service. I now offer that to the families. Let them walk that casket down. Pallbearers. The old days, it was, 6 pallbearers, guys. And you know what? We've changed that. We have grandkids. And I think what's evolved very simply is that we as parents try to protect our kids. And really, I think what we should be doing is involving them more. Ask them, ask them if they want to take part in it. And I think that's where the funeral director does come into play, more importantly. Offer suggestions, that's all. The families will make the right decision, or what they're comfortable doing.